Okay, my Voopoo fanatics. Here we got the Drag 2. Let me tell you, Voopoo, you guys knocked it out of the park with this one. I just love, I just love this mod. Love it. The way it performs, everything. Well, some people um, seem to have issues with the tank not being flush with the actual mod. That really doesn't bother me. There's a little gap there, but really doesn't bother me at all. I mean, this thing feels it feels like a tank. It's really well constructed. Now, I'm gonna show you guys what I did with the battery door because that's the only thing that was driving me insane. I mean, especially when it was standing up like that and you went to grab it, you can actually hear the door move like a click, like click, click. And the amount of play I had was very substantial, I would say, because I would actually be able to move it side to side and up and down. It's a really quick fix, guys. This is what I used. This is black electrical fabric tape. It's used a lot in automotive to go around the harnesses to keep the harnesses, together. And if you can see the texture, let me see where the camera. Okay, well, you can see the texture. It is fabric. Now, sorry about my dirty finger. I'm a diesel technician, so and that finger I got it caught in a pulley like 5 years ago. Long story, but I'm not gonna tell you because it was actually pretty graphic. It looks pretty good right now. Anyways, the what I did was I cut a strip along on the long side like that, and let me show you because it's better if I show you what I did. Let me take this off. There it is. And I don't know if you can see them, but there's one right here. There's another one right here. Can you guys see it? I hope you guys can see it. Right? You see them, right? Yeah, there they are. And there's another one down here. You see them? And when you put this on, watch this. Goes on like normal. No movement. Nothing. Look, nothing. And I'm putting pressure on it. Nothing. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. Because let me tell you, once again, Voopoo, you knocked it out of the park. But that door, that play in that door, that was driving me insane. So I just did a little quick. I just started out and I thought I posted it so you guys can see it. Look. And I'm putting a lot of pressure on it. And it just doesn't move. So there you go, guys. That's a quick fix. Alright? Take care, guys.